Hello. For this problem, you want to simplify the radicals first, and these are square roots. When you're simplifying a square root, the root is a 2, which is the fractional part in the exponent. So you could rewrite it x to the 5 halves, y to the 9 halves. But 2 doesn't divide into 5 and 9, so we need to break this up first. So what we can do, this is the problem. Now, if we pull one of the x's out, then that makes this even and it will be divisible by 2. The same thing with the y. So we want to pull one x and one y and leave it under the radical, because then these will be even. And you can see that x to the 4th times x is x to the 5th. Y to the 8th times y is y to the 9th. So we're just pulling one out. That way then, here we can divide the exponents by 2 and not have a decimal. Same thing here. These are both odd, 7 and 13, so I pulled one out, and it leaves a 6 and a 12. And the last one, the y was to the 1st power, so that will stay under the radical along with 1x to make this x to the 12th. So you want your exponents to be even, since this is an even root. Then, to bring the even parts out, you divide the exponents by 2. So 4 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2 gives us x squared, y to the 4th, square root xy. Then we do the same thing here. Divide 6 by 2 and get 3. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and I brought the square root xy down. Last one was x to the 12th. We divide it by 2 and get x to the 6th, square root of xy. These cannot be combined because the variables are not all the same. This is x squared y to the 4th. This one's x cubed. They have to be identical to be able to combine them. So these 3 terms are not like terms, so you cannot simplify it any further.